You are going to love the 2019 Camaro. Camaro is developed to be 21st century on every level, from its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, leather shift knob, panic alarm, passenger vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.